Hello everyone. I welcome you all to my channel. Today we are going to make spicy salsa. It has a nice kick to it, and also we are going to add some mango, so which gives it nice sweet and tangy flavor. And these are the ingredients we are going to need. So shall we begin? So let's turn the gas stove on, and we are going to roast the tomatoes and chilies and garlic, everything on direct gas flame. You can use an iron skillet if you want to, but if you are doing this, make sure you are very careful and you don't burn your fingers. We will have to roast this turning often so they get a nice char from all the sides. Now these tomatoes and green peppers and garlic, everything is nicely roasted. So I'm going to move them into a bowl and then let them completely cool down before I can crush it to make salsa. This has cooled down now. So let's peel them. While peeling, if there are some brown spots left, that is fine. That actually gives a nice color and texture to the salsa. After peeling, I'm going to chop the tomatoes in smaller pieces, and also serrano peppers also I'm going to chop in smaller pieces. I'm using a small blender today, that's why I have to do it in small batches. You can use a food processor which has a bigger container, so you can do it all at once. You do not have to do in smaller batches. Also, I use 3 serrano chilies, so my salsa is quite spicy. So if you do not like so spicy, I would suggest start with only 1 serrano peppers, or you can use jalapeno, whichever you like better. Both have a good flavor and they make salsa really good. But the heat level totally depends on you, how you like it. So always start with less amount, and you can always add more spice to it. While blending, I'm going to add cumin seeds, vinegar and salt. I did not have lemon or lime, that's why I'm using vinegar, but you can use lemon or lime juice, whichever you prefer. But we do need to add some kind of acid to it. Let it be lemon lime juice or little bit of vinegar, because salsa tastes good only when it is tart and spicy both. At last we are going to add cilantro and then blend everything together, and then we are going to mix it really well. When we are done blending, we are going to peel and chop the mango in small cubes and then add it to the salsa. I had this half a mango left over, which I am going to use for this salsa. This much is enough. The rest half I made chutney with. The mango I am using is partially ripe, so it has a nice sweetness to it. It's going to make salsa really good. Now let's mix it all well, and then the moment of truth. We are going to taste our salsa, and yum! This is really good. So let's move it to a bowl and serve it with chips. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like my recipe, and comment and share if you could. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more recipes like this.